Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at VEVOR's rechargeable drill, nail drill. So we're going to go over a couple features and show you guys how this works. For turning this, you turn it and it loosens this up and you can pull that out. Turn it the other way, it locks it in place and keeps it locked. So keep that in mind. You have all these different extensions that they give you. There's a lot of different things that you guys can use this with. They also give you the holder. So the holder actually makes it easier to hold and mount it on and keep it still. Charger. And how this works is really simple. Take this, line it up, 2 holes in. There we go. Just like that. Turn it on. Twist this for the RPM. You guys probably can hear it. If you wanted to go reverse, you can reverse it by pressing this button. So you got forward and reverse. This is just really nice. A nice little holder as well that it comes in. You can pull it out. Let's test it out. There are very, very, very many uses for something like this. I use it to sharpen blades on knives and razor blades and different things. Also getting rust off nails and just other different things. So I want to show you guys exactly how this works. Let's do it at 20 RPMs. We don't need that on for right now. So for us, we're going to resharpen this blade. Okay, we want to up that a little bit here. Let's see. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let's take the cardboard here. So it did sharpen it a little bit. We definitely want to do a little bit more. But that just gives you an idea of, you know, what you guys can use it with. But yeah, it works great. The tool's great. You know, tons of different applications for it. So I'm happy with it.